Good morning, viewers. It's the Colonel speaking to you live from the Grange for British Imperial YouTube Broadcasting. And here we have the other side of that cooperative movement pioneer glass acetate record. It's called The Key to Happiness, and it's a sort of propaganda song. It's a little bit rough in places, sadly, because it is an acetate and it's not survived particularly well. Anyway, I'll play it for you as a sort of dance band number. Very peculiar. Here we go. Oh dear, I've lost the needle. That's a bit of a shame. Better quickly grab another one, viewers. Oh dear, oh dear. Right. Soon sort that out. Right, there we go. Here we go.
Why is the whole world searching for the key to happiness? Groping amid the shadows, beset by storm and stress. What are we chasing after? Why should it be too late? Life's full of joy and laughter if we'll cooperate. So let's get together and cooperate. Cooperate, cooperate. There's no other plan that will operate to make the world a better place. I'll work for you, you'll work for me. We'll share in the profit just as friendly as can be. We'll all work together like a happy family, if only we cooperate. There's a very simple remedy for every ill of man: hate, poverty, and all those cares that earth. And if you're wise, you'll realize that since the world began, experience has proved one thing will work: cooperation. That's the thing the whole world needs today. One word, but what a difference it can lend. The joy a helping hand will bring to those whose lives are grey. And, strange to say, it pays a dividend. For every man's a treasury of hope, fears, smiles, and tears. But life holds one great lesson all must learn. So try to learn it early, for you'll find in later years the things you give, you get back in return. Give kindly words, and spare a smile to all the folks you meet. And don't forget to lend a helping hand. You'll find that in a little while your life's much more complete. And within yourself, you're feeling simply grand. Individuals, families, towns, cities, nations too must realize that there's no other way to make the world a better place for folks like me and you. Don't hesitate, cooperate today. Let's show our little ones the road that leads to lasting peace. Let's throw out hate and poverty and strife, for if we all cooperate, then bitterness must cease, and then we'll find brighter, better life. So let's get together and cooperate, cooperate, cooperate. There's no other plan that will operate to make the world a better place. I'll work for you, you'll work for me. We'll share in the profit just as friendly as can be. We'll all work together like a happy family, if only we cooperate. For me, we'll share in the profit just as friendly as can be. We'll all work together like a happy family, if only we cooperate.
Well, there we go, viewers. Co-op war propaganda. You didn't think they did it, neither did I. Thank you, viewers, and goodbye.